Hi family, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll walk you through step by step on how you can create a Nigerian working PayPal account that send and receive money here in Nigeria. It is no more a news that PayPal do not allow Nigerians to create a PayPal account. And if you're someone like me that works online, that do online business transactions, you will need PayPal to send or receive money from your clients. In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can create a working PayPal that is non-restricted. That you have limitation of receiving money because you do not have PayPal. If that is your problem, make sure you watch this video to the end. And guess what? I reached out to a guy to create a PayPal for me, and he said PayPal creation is 35,000 naira. Here is the guy message, and I asked him, what if I want to learn it from you? He said it's 25,000 naira. Here is our messages. I do not want you to pay me. It's okay. It's okay. Do not pay me. Just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Do well to drop a comment below this video and share it to your family and friends that wish to create PayPal account. Let's move on to my screen. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your either App Store or Google Store to download Brave browser. This is the browser we are going to use for PayPal creation. Download this to your phone. After you download this, you will have this on your mobile app, this right here with ordinary Brave. It will not show the full name, it will just show Brave. So after you've downloaded it, open the browser. This is the interface of the browser. When you first open it, it will bring you to an interface that says, do you want to set it as default? You can say no. Then after that, it will bring you right here, and when you get here, click on the search bar, type PayPal/ae.com, A&E.com. After you type PayPal/ae.com, so scroll up, don't click on the first one because that is PayPal.ng. So use the second option that has PayPal AE. Now highlight it and click on it. Then it will bring you to an interface like this. Click on sign up. After you click on sign up, it will bring you to an interface that says personal account or business account. Do well to click on business accounts, but before you even start off PayPal creation, please and please, you need a fresh email account. I mean email that you have not used before on PayPal, and a new mobile number, phone number you have not used before to open PayPal accounts. So that is what you'll be needing for this PayPal creation. So click on business accounts. Why did I ask you to choose business accounts? Because business accounts allows you to receive and accept payments. Personal account does not. So click on business accounts and click on get started. In this space now, you will have to take your time to fill in all your details. So let's do this together. While filling your details, make sure you fill it correctly so that you will not be kicked out. PayPal is very strict. When you want to fill in your password, make sure the password you want to use on this space contain numbers, uppercase and symbols. When you are filling it, when you put the uppercase, it will mark green. When you put the numbers, it will mark green. When you put the symbols, it will also mark green. That shows that your password is strong enough. So click on, you read and agree to user agreements and privacy statements. Click on create account. In this interface, you will have to tell them you are not a robot. So make sure you click on I am not a robot, this security challenge. Choose the traffic light or whatever they bring to you as a security check. This is the next interface. Confirm your email with a code. Click on email you a code. Here we have the code. Go and copy the code and paste it right here. So let's do that right now. Here is the code. Copy. So after pasting the code, click on submit. You are all set. Just a second. That is the first step of creating our PayPal account. So let's move on to the next step. Activate your account to start using PayPal. Click on let's go. At this phase, they ask you individual or business. So choose individual because you don't have all the details. They will ask you if your business is registered, if it is non-profitable, and those details they will need for business account. You do not have it, so just click on individual, then click on next. Input your date of birth. The browser has automatically routed to UAE. You and I know you are not in UAE, so all you have to do right here is input your Nigerian phone number. Mind you, you are using a phone number you have not used before on paper. So let's go and look for your Nigerian phone number. So input your Nigerian phone number. The next phase is your PO box, additional information, city and Emirates. Open a new browser and type UAE address. So why I ask you to do this is because you are not in UAE. You do not have UAE address, and this paper we are creating is for UAE. So just go to Google and look for the address you can use. So scroll down and let's choose one of these PO box and the addresses. I'll be going with the one of 55089 PO box. Copy the PO box and go to your browser and paste. Leave the additional information because it's not important. Go to your browser again, minimize it. So the city is Abu Dhabi. Copy and paste. Let's go and check the Emirates. State province is Abu Dhabi. Copy. So come back here, then paste it. After you fill all these details, then click on next. PayPal sent me an email that my address is confirmed. So the next phase is tell us about your business. Even when we didn't choose business, they still ask us about our business. Reason is because we choose business as our form of registration. That is why we still have to fill in these details. Right here, you can put your name because you do not have a business name. So what is the primary currency for your business? US dollar. What do you sell or what service do you offer? Right here, you can just, pick something that align with your goal or your business. I will just pick something that I think is okay for me. Just take a look and choose something that you think is okay for you too. So I'll be going with direct marketing. Do you have a business website? Choose no. What is the business address? Choose the same address as the one you used before. Then choose next. You are all set. You can see these emails are coming from PayPal. Now let's go home. Our PayPal account is ready. This is what your PayPal account look like. You're welcome to PayPal. Let's move on to the next phase where we'll be adding the next thing. So come to this arrow, these 3 dots right here. You need to set up your PayPal account in a way that they will know you are the one they are sending money straight and direct. Click on that pay and get paid. Scroll up to find paypal.me. Then click on paypal.me. This is the interface. Help people know it is you they are paying. Now click on create paypal.me profile. You can include your pictures right here. So add photos. Choose from your photo library. Adjust it till you are okay with the picture. Then scroll up, click on save. Now this is your picture right in your PayPal account. You want to let people know you are the one that they are sending money to. You want to create your own PayPal name. So right here, input your name. Let me input my name. The name is taken. If the name is taken, they will let you know by showing this red sign. Particular one is not taken. Adiola Janet 1. So after I do that, I click on next. Click on I agree. then click on agree and create. Your profile is live, so click on done. You are done. This is an email coming from PayPal. You have your PayPal ready. Click on that subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment, and in my next video I will show you how you can withdraw money from your PayPal account. So I don't want you to miss the next video. Make sure you turn on your notification on this channel so that you'll be able to see it when I create the next video on how you can withdraw your money from PayPal. I want to pass this important information. After you've created your PayPal account, make sure you let it sit at least for 72 hours before you can even think of sending money or use it to receive money. Reason is because your account featured a pause, which means if you send money to this account right immediately you created it, the account might get freezed, or they might disconnect the account and money will be gone. You grab. So let it sit for 72 hours or 24 hours before you even try to send money. I will see you in my next one.
Welcome back. I hope you've learned how to create your PayPal account. If you have any issues while creating it, let me know in the comment section. I am Adekunle Adiola. All I do on this channel is teach people how to start and grow online business, how to make money online. And if that is what you're looking for, smash on the subscribe button, drop a comment below, give this video a thumbs up. YouTube said we are lacking views. Please kindly share this video with your friends, with your family, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. If you learned something, let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to create a video for you, you want me to do some research for you, kindly drop it below this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.